Are you sick of losing money in the markets, being emotional, or second guessing your trades? Imagine waking up each morning not to the anxiety of market unpredictability, but instead confidence, knowing that your trading strategy is consistently profitable no matter your busy schedule. After spending over a decade in the markets and literally trying every trading strategy out there, I'm unveiling the hidden trading system that busy professionals like you are using to stay consistently profitable, even with a hectic schedule.
And I think what Kieran has really helped me with is he's helped me take a weighted discretion and helped me work on a rule-based system in trading that I can rely on. He's taught me that it's not really about being the smartest in the room for trading, but that it's much more about building good habits and good systems.
Greetings everyone, I'm John Sitka. I live here in the United States. And to be honest with you, as a brand new trader, I realized I didn't know what I was doing because all I was doing was losing money. Folks, I don't care if you're an experienced trader or a brand new trader. Kieran is one of the best mentors. I can't imagine anybody more patient and understanding. He walked me through every situation.
Let's face it, trading can be overwhelming due to the endless analysis and constant market monitoring. And if you're a busy professional or entrepreneur, time is especially a precious commodity. And if you're balancing your personal life and a career with trading, that can lead to losses, especially without an efficient strategy. And 5 years in to my own trading journey, I felt overwhelmed. I was juggling trend lines, support, resistance, RSI, MACD, you name it, I've tried it. And at one point, I was literally spending 40 to 50 hours per week trading, whilst attending ward rounds and studying medicine. And I knew that I needed a more efficient method of trading, something that would enable me to be profitable by trading a maximum of 4 to 8 hours a week, because that's all I had. After completing a major set of medical exams in 2019, I decided to take the train back home. And at this point, I was on the verge of giving up trading. But in the last minute, I saw an advert for a trading conference in Southampton. And something inside of me just clicked. And so I decided to attend. Now at the conference, I met Roman, who previously worked at a Swiss bank. And he ended up being my first trading mentor. And he had this beard and glasses, giving him this air of wisdom. He also brought this heavy suitcase and brought out this trading platform called MT4 with this distinguished boing sound every time it loaded. Now, bear in mind, this was a rational, stable man with a family, not one of those over-the-top, cringeworthy trading or crypto influencers. Now, we arranged to meet at a cafe the next day, and Roman asked me a question that completely transformed my perspective. He said, "How much is not knowing what you don't know costing you?" And I realized that my lack of knowledge was a significant barrier. See, I was relying mostly on predictions and gut instincts, which in reality was gambling more than trading. And the reason I'm telling you this story is because it's not that you lack capability in being profitable. It's probably because you lack access to the right information. And maybe you've been burnt in the past, like I was initially, but that shouldn't deter you. Don't be so attached to who you are in the present that you don't give the future version of you a chance. And this epiphany led me to becoming obsessed with testing, refining, and iterating my strategies. I also worked with top hedge fund and institutional grade traders, tweaking every single detail before finally stumbling upon a breakthrough, which I now call the Market Edge system. And this has helped countless traders worldwide be consistently profitable. And all they did to achieve these results was to follow the Market Edge system rules repeatedly every single day. Yes, the exact same rules over and over again. Wait for A to happen, When A happens, you do B. You know exactly where to put the stop loss, the take profit, and you walk away. There's no second guessing or wondering if the trade is even one you should take. You just enter the trade, follow the rules, and walk away. There's no entering early or exiting early.
Before I started trading with Kieran, I was trading maybe 5 to 8 hours a day. I wasn't very profitable. I'd hit a big trade here and there, but my P&L was going down for the most part. The strategies are very rule-based, so it's easy just to follow the rules. What happened is exactly what he said, is that I hit my first swing trade. I think I profited about $1,300, and then I caught another swing trade. It's up about $5,000 right now.
See, if you're not pulling money consistently out of the markets, you're probably missing a strategy backed by statistics. Or you have a strategy, but it relies mostly on guesswork or discretion, leaving you to second guess every trade. The truth is, without a strategy backed by statistics, clear rules, or the ability to remove emotions out of the equation, you cannot simply consistently pull money out of the markets, because you're taking inconsistent actions and so getting inconsistent results. But when you follow the clear proven rules of the market edge system, your actions are consistent and so are your results. And if you're sick of losing money in the markets, emotions, or second guessing your trades and want help with your trading, then click the link in the description below and we can hop on a quick call to see if I can possibly help you.